There's a huge spider over here. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh no. Hi. So my mirror is dirty as but this is the current state of my room. I got shit over here. This is my trash can. This is stuff that I've been wanting to sell but nobody wants to buy from me. I got some other stuff that I want to sell but no one wants to buy. I got some new clothes and bathing suits and some blankets in a basket and miscellaneous items in there. This is the current state of my makeup desk. Along with that, this situation, I'm not sure what's going on there, but also the hair stuff, I don't know. Yeah. And this is my jewelry holder, which is like kind of loud for me now. Like I feel like this is high school me. I ordered a shelf right here, but I haven't put it up yet because I don't know how to use a drill or how to hang up shelves. So I'm waiting for my uncle to help me to do that. And I plan on painting this white. I will see if my uncle has any white spray paint. Hopefully he lets me use it. And there's some blankets. I want to put this in my car inside of this bag for the beach. And some lights that I don't know what to do with. And my laptop, pillows, shoes that I just got, clothes that I haven't hung up. And yeah, a mess. It's a mess. Also, I've been working on this macrame thing right here and I haven't finished it, so I just put this right here, which I should not have done that because that's not where it belongs. Also, earlier I found a huge spider over here on this wall behind this board and it dramatized the out of me. There's a huge spider over here. It's hiding behind that board. Oh my gosh. Ah! No! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh. Oh, that thing is so big. Look how huge that thing is. Oh my gosh. So that was fun. And I have some band-aids. I don't know why. My strategy is I just put everything on my bed and then figure out a place to put the things that are on my bed. But in this case, I have it on my floor. I don't know why. Yeah, let me just put this candle away real quick. So I'm going to tackle that right now. Hopefully it goes well. I also plan on cleaning this dirty mirror. So yeah, also my shorts from Gymshark and my tank top from Forever 21 a long time ago. So yeah. Put my hair up for this because we are gonna put some serious effort into cleaning today. I also have my hair up just 24/7, so So this is the current state of my room. You got me in the middle. Went through this bin. There's some, oh, what is this doing over here? Okay. Got this bin. I folded everything neatly. I got these bikinis. Gotta put them over there and put some wires that was in there. In here, yeah, I don't know why I bought this huge knitting thing, but I did. I don't know what to do with it now because I really don't know what to do. So this pile is donations. I got one glove. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll just like throw it away. Got a bra. I don't want this. I want to sell this, so I'll put it over here with my sell pile. And I got this cloth that I used to use in my old YouTube videos for my backdrop, but I realized like my room is like kind of cute when it's clean, so I think I'm just gonna use this to put on the floor when I paint. Got all my painting stuff over here and towels, and yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I'm feeling overwhelmed. I don't know what I'm gonna use this basket for or that basket. I really don't know. Okay. Oh, I look so crazy. Like, who's gonna subscribe to me? So I'm very overwhelmed right now. Kind of don't know what to do now that I have everywhere. Okay, Well, I'm gonna do another time lapse because I don't know what the to do. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. I'm gonna take a food break. I have soba noodle stir fry with coconut aminos, almond butter sauce that I made, and it's so good. I thought about what I wanted to do with some of the baskets, and I feel like this basket right here, I'm gonna put everything that I want to sell in there because I really can't think of another purpose for it, and all my sell clothes are right here just like being stupid. So this basket was over on that corner of my room, but I found a giant spider there earlier, like I said, and I really don't want a cozy place for spiders next to my window, so I'm gonna move that somewhere. I used one of these Kulani Kinis bag for my macrame stuff, and I still have 2 left, and I'm just gonna take my 2 favorite bathing suits right now from White Fox, and I'm gonna put them in the bag so that they're all nice and cute like this one. So this is not like part of my room stuff, but I have this bag and I'm gonna keep it in my car for when I go to the beach, and I'm gonna put that's not what goes in there. So I'm gonna put a towel. I like to bring this towel to the beach because it's like nice and big and soft. And I put a little speaker and some sunscreen and some, that's not what goes in there either. And I would put an aux cord for my speaker, but I don't have one right now. And also, what I'm gonna do is get this bag from Insert Name Here. I got this with my extensions. And then I'm gonna put a bathing suit in there, just like any bathing suit, just a random one, in case I wanna go to the beach when I'm out already and I don't have a bathing suit. I'm just gonna keep all that stuff in here, and when I wanna go to the beach, it's all ready and I don't have to think about, oh, where's my towel, where's my sunscreen, where's my bathing suit. I can just know that it's already in my car. Comment down below if I'm missing anything from my beach bag. So I'm currently looking like a mess, and I'm eating some Lily's chocolate. I got half my eyebrow wiped off, but my room is looking cleaner than before. Still don't know how I want to rearrange my furniture. I'm also going to do a closet clean out, but that's an issue for another day. I'm like pretty sweaty right now, but I'm gonna show you my room. This is a little bag of donation clothes, and these are stuff that I haven't touched yet. I put my purses in here. There was beanies and like little purses before, and then I put my oh, there's the bracelet that I dropped, and my makeup dust is untouched. Oh my gosh, look at my mirror, it's so crazy. My bed is still a mess. This is the shelf that I want to use for my jewelry, and I want to put that right there so that I can put like cute purses, like everyday purses there. And this is my Lulu stuff that I haven't put away yet because I'm gonna do a haul on that pretty soon. And I know I said I didn't want to put my cozy things for the spiders over here, but I have nowhere else to put it. I put some pictures that were just sitting in like the bottom of my bed for some reason. And yeah, I haven't touched this area either, so yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else right now. See ya in whenever I start recording next time. This is not a booger, this is my piercing. I didn't even realize that I started going through this cart right here to purge it of what I don't use anymore, so I'm just filming it just cause. This bottom was filled with these curling irons and hot irons and stuff, and it just didn't look organized or pretty, so I just started going through it. And then I realized that I have all these nail polishes and I don't even use them, and a lot of them are like separated, if you can see. Like, that is so ugly, and like I'm not really gonna paint my nails. Like, that's disgusting. Also, I don't know if anybody caught this, but if you are wondering why I keep my toothbrush in my room, it's because I live with my 4 little cousins and they're all crazy. So whenever I leave my stuff in there, it somehow ends up like somewhere else or on the floor or in the trash. I don't know, but yeah, that's why I keep my toothbrush in my room. This is just chaos. I plan on moving all the stuff that's in here back onto my desk because I don't know why I even put it there. It's always a far reach from where I'm sitting, so I think I'm gonna do that. Definitely gonna clean my mirror. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these string lights, but yeah, just saying. So, I organized my makeup, and this thing, I didn't clean it or anything, like wipe it down. I just put it where I wanted to put it, and I'll clean it like another day because there's so much dust in my room and I'm allergic to dust, so I need to chill the fuck out. But I had stuff in here, and it was like this stuff here, and I had this stuff in there, and I switched it, and I feel like this is better for now. I think this is how I originally started, but I don't know, I just need change every couple months. And then I put some dirty brushes behind my big ass Ricky mirror, and I still don't know what to do with that. I really don't want it, but also I don't know what to do with this. Put my palette and foundation, more palettes and miscellaneous stuff, and lipstick, more lipstick, and my drawers. And I put on this top part my scrunchies and hair brushes and stuff, and my toothbrush and toothpaste, and all of my daily skincare stuff. And then on here I have my body wash that doesn't fit in the bathroom, and face mask, and in here are my pads and tampons and my hair stuff, hair gel. And then I kept this bottom row solely for hot tools and stuff so that it just looks more organized and it's not like sticking out like all over the place. That's what I did with this area. This is not related to the makeover whatsoever. I was just watching a YouTube video right now, and there was a huge spider crawling on my wall right where I found the other spider. And the spider is over here, and I just killed it, and it's just chilling. Hi. So I didn't even film an outro to this video because I didn't know if I was going to make it a 15-minute video or 10-minute video or a 40-minute video. So I just decided right now to not make it any longer than this. So I'm showing you before pictures actually of my room, because I was originally going to make this room makeover, but I didn't even make anything over in this video. So I'm calling it a clean plus organized plus declutter video with me or whatever. Just a little disclaimer, it's messy in the before shot, but now I have everything different, like I rearranged everything already, so I can't film another before video that's like clean. So that's why you see like dirty dishes and stuff. So yeah.